Hey everybody, I had a question or a comment from a student that didn't know how to edit C# script from Unity. So I want to address that. I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to just create a new, we're going to do a 3D project and it's the Rollerball. And I may or may not already have one. I'm going to go ahead and create Rollerball and just let it go wherever it puts it. And a couple of things I want you to do. Number one, I think the best tool for dealing with this is this right here, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. I highly recommend. It's a free download. So just type Google Visual Studio and you're looking for Visual Studio Code, excuse me. So code.visualstudio.com. This is the better download, and you can get this and have Unity work with Visual Studio Code. So get that thing downloaded, and then when you have your Unity project, and there it is, mine's open up. What you want to do is you want to go to Edit, and it's the Preferences, I believe it is. And where it says, here, let me just move this down a little bit, where it says external script editor, usually you have the option to do Visual Studio 2017. Don't do that one, do Visual Studio Code. It's way, 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 way better. So once you have that here, it says to create a script called movement. We'll put it in assets, and I'll go ahead and create a folder and we'll call it scripts. I think it's a good idea to organize your components or your assets, excuse me. And in scripts, I think it said to create a C# script and call it movement. And then hit enter. And that's all you need to do. And if you have, I also call it VS Code. If you have Visual Studio Code, then it should just open up right here and it should have everything you need. And then if it's color coded, great. And if it's not, what you may need to do is go to extensions and just type in here Unity. And then, so there's debugger for Unity, and there's this one called Unity Tools, Unity Snippets, Unity Code Snippets. That should be all you need. I don't think I need anything else. And so then you should be able to work on this just fine. The reason why I recommend Visual Studio Code is because it doesn't require you to sign in to use it. It's just a lightweight program. It is my favorite editor right here. This is what I like to use for everything that I can. If I'm going to do any coding, that's the one I want to use. So you just create your script, double click it, you should get it. And if you're still having trouble, you need to see me during my office hours to come in and do that. So stay tuned for more videos, and I will talk to you later. Ciao.